Okay, let's talk about the capture page and the after registration feature, which is powerful for conversion for you and building your business. So when you click on the product section and you come over to adding a new capture page, again, we're going to focus on just our main building block here, the picture with the form, no video, because we just want to focus on, again, the building blocks. And as you know, you give your page a name, test, after registration. And with after registration here, of course, you're going to, with the background image, you're going to choose your background. And of course, you can hit when the backgrounds begin to load. I want to thank all of you that are helping to submit other pictures. Um, One of the pictures that was submitted by one of our team members was this one here. I'm going to use this here for the September surprise. And let me go ahead and show you that. These videos are coming from people who are just learning how to use the system in a powerful way. And this is, definitely a powerful image, for marketing the capture page, different than what anyone else has seen. So, so if you're, selling that, what you have is after registration. And what this is not only are you able to control the front end with that particular imagery, but you're able to also control the back end after registration form. When you click on this particular button, what it does is it first gives you a area to put another video on the back end and also an area to put content. So now, if you don't put a video up there and you just put content, before we do that, I want to show you, if you just click on after registration preview, show you what the page looks like when you select after registration and you don't put anything else in it. By default, you're always going to have this video here, which just explains to the person in 6 minutes all of the free benefits that you've just given them by them registering and where they can go to log in and get access to all their free capture pages. But right here where it says registration successfully, when you put in information here, thank you for joining my business, contact me below. And I'm just going to put any image here. You can also add images here. So I'm going to grab that, click on image. And what you're able to actually do is get a link, and you can make that link a clickable link if you want, or an URL image or so forth that you want to use. And the great thing about that is I'm just going to use our car video again up here to show you how you grab. There you go. I'm going to grab this link, the same car video, and when I go to this now and I put in that URL for that car video and click away, you see it's loading it in here, and it also is giving me what the width is, which you can simply change that. So I'm going to make the width now 200 by 113. If I don't want to lock it so it changes automatically, I take that lock off. This allows me to change it without changing the other numbers. So I've made it a smaller image, and if I want, I can make that image clickable and open up in a new window to http www.amway.co and hit OK. So now you see I have this link here. Video could be any picture that you want, and I'm going to hit after preview registration. That information goes next to the video on the side. Now this is dynamic, also, like I said, you can click on that and then it would take you over to Amway. So you can make that, clickable videos, or clickable images, excuse me. So now, also with this, now again, we have this video area. If I go to YouTube and I go to YouTube and I want to look up, say, sports cars, and to grab a video on a sports car. Remember, all videos, a lot of people think that videos are but what they forgot to do was we don't use the image at the top or the video URL at the top. We use the embed code, and all we need is this area of the embed code. In this area of the embed code, when we click on this video URL and we insert that there, and now we hit after registration preview, you can see it's dynamic because now it takes the video and puts the video over to the right and moves your content down below. So that is done for you automatically. And then I'm going to close the preview here, and I'm going to go back to the video here, and I'm going to grab the whole embed link. If you're ever wanting to add more than one video on the back end, I'm going to take off this picture now, click on it, hit delete, and I'm going to hit the source code. Now source code brings me to that HTML code where I got that big link from YouTube. This is HTML code. So I hit source and put that HTML code there. And when I hit that HTML code there, then what I did do, I'll go hit after registration. And now you can see where the video is down below, and having the webmaster people work on this so that the scroll's there. But when you have when a person actually comes to this particular website, they're able to scroll down, but the preview just has it there. But it's the same video here that I now have below. So we'll get that glitch. And I can hit source and have that there. And if I want to highlight it and center it, I can do that as well, and then do the preview. And so now the video has been moved over to the center. So you have a powerful after registration form to customize as well to really close and bring your prospects closer to you or your business. So have fun with the tools, guys.